Hello, people. Today, like many others in the world, I seem to be lacking any Magnum large rifle primers of any kind besides the CCI 250s, and I'm getting a couple hang fires on the 375 Shytac. So I thought I would test the primers that I had for their brisance under night vision camera. So we'll see how this completely non-scientific shit show goes. They're all rifle primers. Before everybody gets their panties in the wad, there's no projectiles in front of them. I deepened a 45 ACP case to rifle primer pocket depth, and I'm going to be firing them through FNX 45 tactical against a ruler, which hopefully I'll be able to see the flash. So anyway, this is the older red box CCI 250s first. This is the blue box CCI 250. This is a Federal 210. And this is a Winchester large rifle primer. Well, we shall review this and see what we've got.